Welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and today I share with you how to buy a load on Gcash using asterisk 143 sign number. So let's start. But before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So this is a very easy procedure, so let's start. Okay, the first things you can do is dial asterisk 143 sign number, then call and select the Gcash, so number 8, type 8 and click send, and select buy load, type 6 and click send, and select the network or Globe, Team, Smart, Sun or Token Text. So I choose Token Text, type 5 and click send, and select a regular load, so number 1, type 1 and click send. I load regular 10, type 2 and click send. So enter beneficiary 11-digit prepaid number, then click send. Then enter the 4-digit PIN number and click send. So okay guys, 10 pesos successfully loaded to your number. Thank you for watching. So guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Thanks.